back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today is another vlog for you guys, and it has been requested a lot that there were people who want to see this, so I especially went in on a very hot day just to show you guys what the store has. So today's vlog is going to be about TK Maxx. So guys, what TK Maxx does is that they sell stuff from like a bit more expensive brands like Michael Kors, Dune, Calvin Klein, and what else, like a lot of good brands basically, but they sell their products at like somewhat cheaper prices. I don't know how that works out for them, but it's really good, and it's mostly popular for the bags, the clothes, the jewelry and stuff like that basically. But I absolutely adore their home stuff. So the good thing about TK Maxx is that it has some really unique pieces from different brands. And if you're the kind of person who's looking for very different things in decor, and if you're looking for like staple pieces for your house that are not common and that are not in everyone's house, then TK Maxx is the place for you to go. Let me know in the comments below what else do you guys want to see. I'll be making vlogs on everything that you guys would request. So enjoy the vlog, guys. First up, we have this outdoorsy stuff as well as some artificial flowers and all for, I think, the indoors. So this chair was really good priced. It was just for $29.99, almost £30. And this is like a planter thing, and again really good price. So I fell in love with this plant, but it was a bit more expensive than what I was expecting. So it's almost £80, but it's lovely. It's a really good quality plant. This was on sale just for £12, but I don't have like a lawn, so it's not useful for me. Another one. So these are a lot of artificial plants, and they were all very pretty and very good quality as well. So they had an amazing variety of different sorts of planters and pots, etc. And they were all very, very good quality. And the best thing that I liked about this TK Maxx place is that they had different categories of colors, and they had just put all the items of the same color scheme in one area. So you can always, like, if you have a specific color theme in your house, so you can just look at one section and just find from your own color combination. So this is the whole white section, and I don't know what these are, but cute. So this is the colorful and the pink section, so different shades of pinks. So I fell in love with this one, just for £6. So now this is like the blue, green, sea green section. Again, like very pretty colors, and like you have all the tints and shades of green. But the only thing is that sometimes it's really hard to find two pots of the same design and color. But I think you can, like, if you visit different TK Maxx stores, you can always find a pair. So these are all the different sort of animals, sculptures and all. Really cute. My mom would love it. I don't know what this is. So these are all the watering cans and different gardening stuff, and then garden decor. So this is another little gardening section, as well as not gardening section, like garden decor and then indoor flowers and all. So very pretty. Wow, these are cute and small. Oh, I love the dog. So this is a snake plant that I just saw in the video and I didn't see it when I was there, and I wanted to buy it, but oh well. These are different sort of hangings, but I'm not the sort of person who would put such things, so not my area of interest. But I fell in love with these. Like, they look so nice, and what should I say? Like, you know, they have a very ancient look. And one was for this price each. So this was a little rug section, like just mini rugs, and usually they have a lot of rugs, but they just had this much variety, and they're mostly fur rugs, and I don't like them because I think they're really hard to maintain and clean, and a lot of dust and stuff gets stuck in it. They did have a few big rugs as well, and like, yeah, cheap price, not bad. So these were just like random side tables, and then stools, and then you know, footrests, chests as well. So they are quite cute actually. So their price range is quite different, but it starts from almost £30 and goes up to like £60 depending on what the thing is. So these hooks are really cool, a bit scary too as well, but £15. Super heavy. Oh, this chest is cute. Not bad. Oops. Oh, such pretty chests. Don't need one, but see, so sometimes you can find matching side tables and all, but not all the time. These are just random mirrors. This one was on sale, and this is nice. A few more mirrors. So this is the luggage bag corner, and not corner, whole section. So they have really good brands like DKNY, Juicy Couture. Sometimes they even have like Ted Baker and stuff. So I fell in love with this DKNY travel set, but they just didn't have the biggest size. Otherwise, I think I would have bought it. This one is just for £40. It's such a pretty color. And then some more variety. And these are a few fabric bags. I actually think these bags are much better than the other plastic ones. They have a lot of storage, and you know, you can just put more and more stuff in them, and they just don't get full. So yeah, good price. So this is a lamp section, but weirdly they didn't have a lot of lamps today, which is very weird because otherwise the variety of lamps is really good, but they just had a few. Some lampshades. So I fell in love with these brass lamps, and they're by Ralph Lauren, so you know, branded as well, and they're like for £50 each. I wish I had a similar theme in my house. I would have definitely bought them otherwise. So these are just like random frames. I'm not a frame person, so I like frames, but like big wall frames, not these small ones. They're very pretty, and it's a very good variety. So here comes the section for all the candle lovers, and I love their candle section. It's like, you know, they have so many different brands, so many different scents, and lovely variety. So I loved this one. It was huge and super heavy, and £15. It smelled heavenly, by the way. This whole section smells so good. So these are a few diffusers, essential oils and all, and £5. So a few candles. By the way, this brand had amazing candles. They had a very strong scent. Sand and fog. So this was a little throw section. So they had like all different colors and textures and fabrics. So next up we have their lovely cushion section. So they have all the cushions set up according to colors. How cute are these little beetles and bugs? So you know they have cushions of every texture, fabric, color. So pretty. I'm in love with like these tropical prints and colorful ones. £15, not bad. Oh, how cute is this waffle knit cushion? So all sorts of textures and all shades of pinks. So now it's the next color section. It's like more like blues and greens. And a few random ones as well. Oh, how nice is this Frida Kahlo cushion? So if you're into artsy pieces, then such a pretty one. For £20. And here comes the grey section, the blue, the pink, not the pink, another tropical one. I think these are seat cushions maybe, a few up. So I don't know what to call this section because it has just random things, basically decor section I would call it. So it has very cool but random pieces that you can put in your house. So I was in love with these colorful things. I don't know what their purpose is. It's probably just decor. And how cute are the globes? Lovely tray. So as you guys can see, like they have this random one piece and everything. So very pretty color. £8. See, like everything is different from one another. Very few pieces which are like you know, more in number, but it's mostly just like one thing has just one piece. How cute. My brother would love this, but not in pink probably. Aww. I think this would look great in a vintage themed house or room or whatever. Cute parrot. So many lovely pieces. Not this one though. So you know, they've put things according to colors, which is really cool. It makes it much easier for you to select according to your theme. Random small ones, clear glass ones, and I don't know what this big thing is. How cool are these wooden globes? Then a few more. How pretty. I actually think I'm gonna buy one. How cute is this vintage trailer? Aww. I think it was just for £12. Aww. So this is a bit boring section. All the kitchen stuff. All the moms will love it, I know, but I don't know. I find it a bit boring. They have a lot of random things. Pizza cutter. Potato ricer. What? Metal straws. Spatulas. More spatulas. More. So a few jars and containers now. But again, like they don't have similar things. So it's, you know, if you're trying to organize your shelves and all, then I think it's a bit hard to find similar pieces. A few more jars and containers. I think these are the glass ones. So a few mason jars, different sizes, and random things. I think this is to put like salad or fruits. I don't know. 8 pounds. Oh, how cool is this spider web one? These are pretty cool. They're wooden from the outside and a bit glassy for the from the inside with lovely prints. I don't know what their purpose is basically. So baking stuff, a few electronic things. So they didn't have a lot of variety in cutlery and plates and all. This was a bit cool though. It's too huge to keep in a small space. Random colorful things. So here's the glass section, different goblets and all. Very pretty. Yeah, they just had a few mats and cutlery. So they had a huge variety in different marble coasters and all. A few marble ones, a few plastic ones, and a few wooden ones as well. And they were almost all for like 4 or 5 pounds each. So this is cute. 6 pounds. Anyway, this is now the bath rug section, but they were good sized and not that expensive as well. I think we could use a few of these rugs or mats, whatever, even in like the kitchen. Like I loved the color scheming of this yellow one, and this one is really pretty. So every color is available here. So a few random things, bins, small ones. I think these are first aid boxes. A few bathroom things, washing baskets, laundry baskets, and I think we can use a few of them just to like put our plants as well. So huge variety. Guys, this is the last section, which is the pet section. So they have a lot of cute things for pets, and these are all the cushions and all for them, and these are just random pet toys. All of them are really cute. So guys, with this the tour comes to an end. So this was not a very big TK Maxx. There are bigger ones, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll be making more like these. But just let me know in the comments, guys, what else do you guys want to see, and stay tuned to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.